Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here with me today. Walter here with the Sargent Transitional Smoother Sargent VBM number 2408. I have been able to get it to take shavings. Still needs major tune-up. But it is behaving very similarly to the KeenKutter number 3 smoother that I have. Is taking shavings a lot like that. The sole has to be flattened, cleaned up, and then the frog has to be set precisely to the wooden portion of the bed. But it is working, and it feels nice in the hand. I don't like the knob, but it is comfortable to hold with this rounded portion in the back, and it's tapered slightly, sort of like a coffin smoother. But as I surmised, it is not a severely high-end tool. However, a craftsman should never blame their tools. Because there are always options to setting them up differently for different tasks. So this will not be one of my keepers. I will be parting with this. And that's something we're going to have to get really serious about here soon, because I'm not going to go building a new big workbench while I still have tools piled up all over. So I thought I had somebody that was going to come and clean me out, but that's not happened yet. So there you see it, the Sargent 2408, number 3 size smoother. Making shavings. So that's about it for this one. I don't know when or if I'll get around to restoring it. Someone else might get it before I do. I hope you have a blessed day and you found something useful, helpful, maybe entertaining. I doubt that. Quiet up there. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.